Credu ni'n okay? Ni'n fine. Okay, bore da pawb. Di Gwener ola'r gwyliau. Okay. Last Friday of the holidays. So gobeithio pawb wedi mwynhau. Hope everyone's enjoyed. Ffit Yn 5. 5 exercises, working for 1 minute. Halfway through each exercise, we'll have a little break, okay? Gweithio munud, hanner ffordd trwyddo ni'n cael gorffwys bach. Big news, dod o Ceredigion Active heddi. Big news coming from us. Wythnos nesa, next week, bydd newid yr amser. Bydd Shrids a Steve hefyd yn mynd nôl I ysgolion uwchradd. Okay, we're going back to secondary schools. So we won't be able to do the 9:30 classes. Therefore, okay, ni'n mynd I wneud nhw ar ôl ysgol. We'll do them after school at 4:30. Na gweud hwn ar diwedd hefyd, okay? I'll say this at the end just in case we miss anyone. We'll be doing them at 4:30. So os mae loads o egni gyda chi, if you've still got lots of energy after school, you know where to come, okay? Bydd ni'n cario ymlaen am y tymor. We'll be carrying on for... Oh, there's sort of light on the wall. We'll be carrying on for the rest of the term, okay? Ar ôl ysgol, after school. Bydd ni dal safio popeth. We'll still be saving everything. So mae hwnna'n fine. Just so chi'n gwybod. Heddi, abs agedon. Play on words, if you will. Okay? Ni'n mynd I wneud bach o core a ab work heddi. Ab rocks. Ni'n mynd I wneud heel touches, plank, crunches normal, and a side plank, okay? So ni angen troi mlaen, gobeithio mae pawb gyda lle. You'll need to have space you can like lie down on the floor, okay? Bach o dŵr hefyd, a little bit of water. And ni dechrau. Okay, just walking on the spot. Feet coming off the floor, tra'n dod off y llawr. Da fi socks here arno heddi. Not quite summertime yet, do we? Okay? Just cerdded. Okay, a wedyn, dwylo gyda gilydd, hands together, out in front. Just agor lan. Big breath mewn, a mas. Mewn, a mas. Okay, when we breathe in, we're going to open, and when we breathe out, we're going to close. Fill the chest. Allow 2 more. Unwaith to. Good, okay. You need hip circles, 5 each way. Okay, making sure that we're going to get some of the blood pumping to our midsection. Okay, that's where we're going to be working. And back the other way. So we'll do some movements just to prepare the muscles, okay? Un arall. Okay. Hands by sides. Slowly twist. Okay. So mae dwylo, okay? Your hands are going to reach down to the side. So fel fi now, this is my right side. Dwi'n mynd lawr, just twist. And ni'n agor popeth lan. We're opening up. Ochr arall, stretching the sides. We're doing side planks. Da iawn. Couple more each side. Keep the breathing. Oh, I can feel the stretch already. Da iawn, okay. Bit of a higher march. Eto, we're working our core. We can feel it because we're picking the knees up. Our abs are working hard. You can feel the muscles working. Poke yourself in the stomach gently. You can feel them working. And we can turn to the side. Da iawn. Get your arms going as well. Opposites, cofia. When we're sprinting, we're doing the opposites. Da iawn. Okay, squats bach, okay? We know how to do our squats. Like we're sitting in an imaginary chair, okay? Mae car y tu ôl ni. Plygu at y pengliniau, we're going to bend at our knees. Feet As long as they're comfy, you can go wide if you want, but you can come nice and narrow if you want also. Sit in the imaginary chair a land back straight. Mae lot o pobl yn gweud, back straight, your back's not straight. That's what you mean by a bent back, straight. Okay, you can see it's a straight line, like a ski slope. It's not curled. 3, 4, 5, we're going to go to 7, 6, 7, da iawn. Okay, kicks back. Keep straight legs. Again, introduce the arms. And wedyn, job done, okay. Heart rate picked up, okay. Fi'n mynd I cael quick sip o dŵr a dangos y symudiadau, movements. Ab rock. Just check o. Pam gallu weld, yeah. Pin ôl ar y llawr. You're going to get your knees up to 90 degrees. Well, 90 degrees, so it looks like a bit of a square. Wedyn, we're just going to rock back and forth. So you're going to use your abs to pull you up. Your arms are just for a bit of balance. 30 eiliad, then we'll have a rest. 30 eiliad arall. Heel touches, ni wedi wneud hwn o blaen. Heels flat on the floor. You can see my arms down by the sides, and we're going to touch either side. Yr ochr, we're going to touch our heels. If you need to make it easier, bring your heels closer. If you think you can do a little bit more of a stretch, you push your feet a little bit further away. Plank. Oh, the old plank. Yar, that's what the pirates would do. They love doing the plank. Okay, our penelin, a wedyn, our blaen fraich. Okay, we're going to go elbows, then onto your forearms. We're going to keep a nice straight back. We don't want your bum sticking in the air, but we don't want it down on the floor. Okay? Hold for 30 seconds. Then we'll have a break eto. Tough. When you're balancing, your core is fighting. That's why you need to brace the core. Good word. Crunches. Eto. We don't have to go all the way up for the crunch. Hello, pawb. We're just going to go up a little bit. Head touches the floor gently. Up. So your hands, dwylo chi, just top o pen-glin. Okay. Crunches, side plank wedyn. 30 seconds on each side. Same thing. Penelin, blaen fraich ar y llawr. Okay. Legs nice and straight out. Tuck it under. Shoulder, elbow. Land. Okay, hips are up. And we're going to hold for 30. You can put your hand in the air if you want. This is a tough one because you're only using one part of the side. A wedyn, ochr arall. Ydy pawb yn hapus? Okay. Fi'n mynd I cael quick sip eto. Nes I cael smoothie newydd I brecwast. I tried a smoothie. Oh. What is an avocado? Good heavens. It is not agreeing with me. Okay. Timer. Pam barod. Ab rocks ar y llawr. Okay. Oh, not good when you got a bad belly. Okay. Rocking back and forth. Remember to breathe. Oh, bol a fi'n symud. Da iawn. Halfway, we've done halfway of the first set. Keep breathing. Da iawn, work to the bell. Da iawn. Bit of a weird one, isn't it? Because you're rocking back and forth. Got to keep a bit of balance hefyd. Oh. Yeah, smoothie for breakfast is weird. Stick to porridge, I think. 4 eiliad. Okay, Armageddon. Rocks bach. Da iawn pawb. 10 eiliad I fynd. Keep going. Da iawn. Oh! Heel touches. I'r un nesa, mi yn cael stretch. Oh! You can feel, they've gone harder already, okay? Because my gwad wedi mynd mewn, the blood's gone to the muscles saying we're working. Ni angen mynd I helpu. Okay? So ni'n mynd I wneud heel touches tro yma. Oh, bach o gas. Excuse me. Heel touches. You go in each side. Make it easier, bring your feet closer. Harder, move them away. Back on rhythm, find your rhythm. Feel the ride. Watch out now. It's bobsleigh time. Saith eiliad, keep going. Wow. Bach o rest, bach o gorffwys. Working your obliques, okay, on the sides. Oh! 10 eiliad. Don't know why I thought abs Abageddon would be a great idea. Friday, Steph, come on. Okay. Caravan, keep going. Keep reaching for those heels. Nice and smooth. If it's not smooth, bring it a bit closer. If you think you're jerking to get there, then nhw bach mwy agos. Saith eiliad, well done. Bing! Oh! Popeth ar y llawr, Eddie. Plank nesa, okay? Pirates' favourite exercise. Oh. And why are pirates pirates? Because they are. You can all use that one, okay? Saith eiliad. Penelyn, elbows, a wedyn blaen fraich onto your forearms. Okay, lan. Oh! Keep it nice and straight. Don't stick your bum in the air. Keep breathing. You should be on your toes. Halfway. Da iawn. Head should just be looking to the floor. Neutral position. We don't want it stretching anyway. Da iawn. Harder version wedyn, you can just try and reach out. Fel ti'n neud tense a mas. And gyda hwnna, we want to keep your hips still. If you're rocking everywhere, no good. Stick to the plank. Da iawn pawb. Good work on a Friday afternoon. Afternoon. Dew. Bore di Gwener. It's been a long week. Hanner ffordd trwyddo. Five seconds to go. Keep it going. Ding ding. Crunches, okay? Ar y llawr, feet flat on the floor. Okay, and we're just going to do little ones. Yeah, I can stretch your ass. Woo-wee. Dig eiliad. Oh, the smoothie. Oh. Dwylo, just mynd lan, lawr, lan, good. Crunches back, we're not going to the top. We're just having a good, strong crunch. And lower slowly. Da iawn pawb. Pedwar eiliad. Good. Crunch and sit-ups, difference, okay? So crunch yw'r un bach. We're just going to a little angle, crunch. Exactly what it says on the tin. Okay, saith eiliad, back in. I'm sure the rest's getting shorter. Oh! Da iawn. Well done. Crunch bach. Well done, pal. Do what you can. If you need a rest, have a rest. Pump eiliad. Brill. Un ola yw'r side plank. I keep moving forward. Okay. Bit of rest. Elbow, forearm. Woo! What is wrong? Fi heb cael coffee neu porridge, hwnna problem. First time I've yawned, I think, ar a live thing. I can't even use words. Breakfast is so important. Plank up. So, if mam a dad ni, ma'n gyn neud y ci, tell you to have breakfast, a ti yw'n na, just listen to them. Energy, boys bach. Fi'n struggle, I need to have a coffee. Coffee, porridge. Now smoothies are nothing. So you can keep that hand up in the air. Keep your hips up. We don't want the hips dropping. Head's just flopping normal. Da iawn, un ochr wedi wneud. Sropo droso so I can still see you. 13 seconds. A wedyn ni cwlo lawr, slow bach, just need slow stretches. Fel nath ni wneud o dechrau, okay? Hips up, hand in the air. Like you just don't care. Keep breathing. Keep those hips up, really bwysig, don't let them drop. Should feel a nice, could crack an egg there. Oh, probably not though, but keep them up. Ding, 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 da iawn pawb. Just aros ar y llawr. Straight back, you can put your legs out straight, neu os ti moyn crosso nhw droso, hwnna'n fine. We're going to have 10 breaths pan ni ar y llawr, okay? Achos, ni dal defnyddio'r core fan hyn. If you feel when you breathe in, your stomach gets bigger because you're getting, and then it gets slower, okay? Fi'n mynd i cael nhw mas. Get the heart rate down. When you breathe in, you can see your head goes up. Like a balloon. A couple more. Da iawn. Pawb i sefyll lan. And do a couple of stretches this time. Left arm up in the air. Feet shoulder width apart, and you just mynd droso, okay? Nice and slow. Stretch your mass. And over your top, back to the top. Right arm. Droso. And all. Other side. Back to the top. And all. Da iawn, okay. Just going to open up at top, feet still, okay. Ag lan. Close it up. Breathe in to open. Claw your lawr. Nice big inhale. Da iawn, pawb. Nice and easy, warm down. Concentrate on the breathing fan'na, okay? So, just I atgoffa chi, just to remind you, wythnos nesa, bydd Ffit Yn 5 arno am hanner awr wedi 4, okay? Ffit Yn 5 will be at 4:30 every day. We'll be recording, okay? And we'll be saving them on Microsoft Teams, athrawon. We'll be saving them on YouTube and Facebook. It'll be there as well, okay, parents? So, pawb yn gwybod nawr. Eto, os chi moyn weld rhywbeth, just hela e-bost neu neges mewn I ni. If you want to see something in particular, just give us a message. We're always open to ideas. Joio'r penwythnos, a bydd ni nôl wythnos nesaf. Hwyl fawr!